Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to change a headlight bulb in your vehicle. This is a straightforward task that many can do at home. First, make sure you have the correct replacement bulb for your specific vehicle model. It is crucial to ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the engine has cooled down for safety before you begin. This simple repair can save you time and money. Now, let's get started by accessing the headlight bulb. Begin by opening your vehicle's hood and securing it firmly with the prop rod. Next, locate the back of the headlight assembly you need to service. You will see an electrical connector attached to the bulb. Gently press the release tab on this connector and pull it straight off to disconnect the power supply to the old bulb. This step is essential for both safety and access. With the electrical connector removed, it's time to get to the bulb itself. Gently pull off the rubber dust cover, which protects the bulb from moisture and dirt. You will then see a metal retaining spring or a twist lock mechanism holding the bulb in place. Unclip or twist this to release the old bulb, then carefully pull it straight out. When installing the new bulb, hold it by its base. Never touch the glass, as oils from your skin can significantly reduce its lifespan. Almost done. Once the new bulb is in place, secure it by reattaching the metal retaining clip or twisting it clockwise until it locks. Then, firmly replace the rubber dust cover to protect your new bulb. Finally, reconnect the electrical harness to the bulb. Before closing the hood, turn on your vehicle's headlights to ensure the new bulb is working properly. If it illuminates, you've successfully changed your headlight bulb. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.